What's up, my people? This is Victor Isibo once again. How are you doing? I'm so pumped up and delighted to have you here as usual. If you're new here on this YouTube channel, we're in the business of reviewing make money online and offline opportunities, helping you with common sense feasibilities. Even though I am not an investment advisor, okay? But this is what we do here. I just have a knack for doing reviews like this. So if you love reviews like this, if this is one of the reasons you come to YouTube, I want to invite you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Ensure that you turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all, so that you'll be the first to know when I do another video. And to my beautiful, handsome, returning subscribers and viewers, salute, like in the military. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Disclaimer, I'm not an investment advisor. Like I said earlier, don't take my word for it. Do not take my word for it. See, a disclaimer is a legally binding statement. You can't hold me responsible for, your own financial decisions, okay? Do your own research, okay? And ultimately, invest only what you can afford to lose so that you don't start blaming anybody for the consequences of your actions. And now that that disclaimer is out of the way, today we're going to be reviewing Cointech2u. Cointech2u, crypto trading robot. Now, uh, we are on the application of Cointech2u now, and the first impressions of Cointech2u is that it has affiliation with Chinese, okay? And this is a crypto trading robot, and this is a test account of mine, okay? I have a test account. If you come here, you hit on this robot sign, it will redirect you to my test account. So a couple of days ago, I think 8 days ago now, just a little over a week, let's just say 1 week, okay? A week ago, I decided to test run this system by activating two trades. As you can see here, the first one is the Ape USDT. As you can see the date, 19th of December 2022. And of course, you see Sand USDT, also 19th of December 2022. Okay. We are going to be, later on in this video, we're going to be looking at how the performances of this bot based on these two activated trades on Binance. Okay. We're not going to be looking at it here on their own application, because we have seen cases of people actually making profits on the robot application, but their accounts are in red on Binance. This is a test account, and if you're willing to test this project, okay, if you're willing to test this project, then you can go ahead and use the referral link in the description of this video, so that you can have first-hand experience of this project. Okay, reviews are dynamic. Sometimes you need to register and actually experience and feel the emotions, so that when you're giving out information, you are speaking directly from experience. Okay, some reviews do warrant that, and this review warrants it. So I got signed up. That's how come I have a referral link in the description. Make sure you stick around for my counterpunch at the end of the video. Okay, it will better inform your decisions. Okay, so very quickly, I want us to look at, the way this application operates, some of the claims that are being made, and we'll check the veracity of such claims. Now, first of all, this application is free. Okay, you can just get started. You don't have to worry yourself about buying a license. There are no licenses here. Okay, just they are giving out the application for free. Get the application, sign up, get the application, then you send your gas fees. Okay, there's something called gas fees. You send it here, $15. They have the prepaid, which is $15, and also they have the postpaid, which is $100. Let me show you real quick what that is all about. When you click on the human icon, the user icon, watch me. When you click on the user icon below, it brings you here where we are, and you want to really quickly click on wallets. When you click on wallets, this is what opens up to you. Okay. You click on deposit. Okay. When you click on deposit, you deposit $15 as gas fee. Okay, that $15 gas fee helps you to have one running trade. Okay, one running trade for that $15. That's the prepaid. Okay, prepaid means, of course, you pay and it's done. Then there's also an opportunity for postpaid. Okay, where you deposit $100. Okay, and the system allocates $120 to you. Okay, like an extra incentive for putting enough gas fee into the system. And when you put in that $100, you're automatically given $120. Then you now click on buy point card there. Okay, this is just a way of you buying enough gas fee in advance. Okay, so you see, you get 120 point cards, for paying $100. Okay, so you can either do postpaid or prepaid. Okay, you get enough incentive and bonuses. When you pay $100, you get $120 gas fee, and that is how it works. So general overview. Okay, Cointech2u is your typical application trading robot where your trading capital is in your exchange. Okay, trading capital is in the exchange. You bind API. Okay, you don't give them your money. Okay, I think non-custodial projects are projects that you don't give your money to the company. Your money is domiciled in your exchange. That's why you see this button, bind API, because right now you now bind the API of the robot to your exchange. Okay, while binding the API, you do not give the permission for withdrawal. Okay, the robot cannot withdraw your money from the exchange. The only thing it can do is to trade with your money. Okay, so your money is there. Then the performance of the robot is now what makes profit for you, and your profit goes directly to your exchange as well. That is why you send gas fee, to the application, because it's from your gas fee that they now make their deductions. So this Cointech2u, they take 20% of your profit, 20% of your profit, and also there are withdrawal charges as well from the app if you want to withdraw your bonuses. So they take 20% of your charges, and the 20% deduction is made from the gas fee that you make available here on the application. So when you click on this robot sign real quickly, you would see that top right corner, as I'm showing you here, you can link to two exchanges. Okay, Binance and OKX are the exchanges where you can bind Cointech2u. At the moment, just two exchanges. This is a futures trading robot. Okay, real quickly, futures trading robot, and they use the hedge mode. Okay, they use hedging as a trading strategy. And for hedging, the explanation of what hedging is all about, we'll get into that shortly when we go to the application. Okay, I just want to, when we go to the Binance application, you will see what hedging is all about really quickly. I just want us to be done okay, with this application, before we go to the Binance application where I show you a few things, I want to be certain that we're done here so that we probably wouldn't come back here. Once we go to Binance, we'll just do the counterpunch over there and would be done. So when we come here and you look at the market, for instance, I want to show you really quickly how to, start a trade. If you have any questions, my contact is in the description. We could interact after you sign up. You need guidance, I would guide you via my contact in the description if you have questions. Let's say, for instance, you want to activate a trade with dot USDT. Okay, when you click on it, it's going to open real quickly like this. Yeah, you got to scroll all the way down and you would see setting. Okay, you see setting. Okay, when you click on setting, then you would see that they have first order 10 USDT. You see AI strategy, $100 minimum is what you can use to trade. You see leverage of 20, okay, which is adjustable. You can go down to 10, you can go down to 5. You'll be advised when you want to do the settings. I think they have a standardized setting. Okay, they have a standardized setting, and they say that if you follow the standardized settings and you incur losses, that the company refunds 50% of your losses. I do not know if that is a fact. If you think it's a fact, then you can leave it in the comment section below. I do not know that. It's a claim as far as I'm concerned at the moment. Okay, and here is what makes this application, robot application, a little bit unique. Look at this position. Okay, the position, they have long, they have short, then you have long and short. Okay, so when setting your robot, it is this long and short that you check. Okay, that is what the whole idea of hedging is about. Okay, you're trading both directions at the same time, and we're going to get into the intricacies of that when we go to the Binance app and we're looking at my running trades. Like I told you, I have a test account where I'm testing this out, and we'll look into all that shortly. Okay, so usually the long, when you're longing, it's about buy. It's called long and it's called bullish as well. While if you're selling, it's what they call the short and the bear. So I believe that we're done with this mobile application for now. Let me show you the ongoing trades on Binance, and we'll counterpunch from there, and that we'll take it from there. Okay, let's go to the Binance application now, where you see my ongoing trades. Now, very quickly, if you want to interact with an application that using the hedging strategy for trading, very quickly, now that we are on Binance, you need to activate it. Okay, you click on futures at the bottom. Okay, look at the bottom tab, you will find futures there. When you click on futures, then you look at this top right corner, this menu button, because you need to activate hedging before you can do hedge mode kind of trading. Okay, when you click on it, and you would see preferences. Okay, then you tap on preferences there. After binding your API, you need to do these settings I'm showing you for you to be able to trade hedging. Okay, then you go to position mode setting. Okay, position mode setting. You see, mine is already on hedge mode. Okay, you click on it. When it opens, before you change it to hedge mode, ordinarily, I believe yours would be in one-way mode. That is, in one-way mode, a symbol only supports holding a position in one direction. But this is hedge mode, whereby you can trade in both directions. You check it like I checked it here. When you're done with that, you just go back. Okay, you also go to asset mode. Okay, you find asset mode here. Okay, you tap on it. Mine is already on multi-asset modes. By default, when you tap on it, it's always on single asset mode. Okay, so you check this box for multi-asset modes. And once you're done with that, then you're ready to trade in hedge mode. Okay, so let's go to my futures wallet. Let's see what is going on there. These are trades, ongoing trades, okay, with Cointech2u. You see Ape USDT, okay, it's ongoing, and you see Sand USDT is also ongoing. But you may be asking yourself, how come are we seeing Ape USDT in two places, and we're also seeing Sand running in two places? Now, this is the hedge mode trading, okay? It trades both long and short. Okay, it's buying and selling at the same time for the same crypto token. That is the strategy that it is using. Okay, that means that whatever the direction of the market, okay, you have an ongoing trade for that. Now, the common sense question anybody would ask, and even I asked, is if I am longing and shorting at the same time on one particular coin, that means that whatever the direction of the market, be it long or short, I am making money and I am losing money at the same time. Bars. Okay, I'm going forward and I'm going backward at the same time. Okay, it means that at the end of the day, whatever progress I make going forward, I lose it going backward. Okay, but some of the knowledgeable people, because honestly I'm not a crypto head, the explanation I got is, if the market is longing, for instance, you're making money longing, and while you're losing money shorting, if the market moves against you as you're shorting and you're losing money, that the martingale principle is applied, okay, while double the amount of money that you lost initially, a trade is open for it in the short position, and if the market eventually shorts, you would be making a lot more than you lost initially. That is the explanation I got. I'm still trying to wrap my head around it. If it makes sense to you how to make money in hedge mode, leave it in the comment section below. But honestly, I'm a practical person, okay? I'm like, okay, whatever it is, if it is something that works, that is what I am going to find out if I create a test account. And that is what I'm doing here. I created a test account on the 19th. And so far, I am observing and I'm seeing that it's been profitable. Okay, allocating $100 to trade the Ape USDT and another $100 to trade the Sand USDT. Let us not, make assumptions here. Let us look at the PNL analysis, and I'm going to filter it. This is Binance. I'm going to filter it to the date that I started this trade. Okay, so that you can know that, okay, this is what is happening. Now, this is not their application. This is Binance. Okay, so I'm going to filter the date. Okay, see, from, let's go to December the 19th. All right, so this is December the 19th. Okay, that was when I started, like we saw on the application. That was when this trade started till today. Okay, confirm. let us look at the analysis. Okay, now you can see here that I've made a total profit of $644, and note very careful note very carefully, I am making this video in the early hours of the 26th. Okay, probably the profit for the 26th has not reflected here, so let's just call this a 1 week test. Okay, a 7-day test. So for 7 days, it made $6.44 from a capital of $200. Let's scroll. Okay, so now look at this. It says winning days 5. Okay, losing days 3. Do you know why it's saying losing days 3? Because today no profit has been recorded. This video, I'm shooting it at exactly 3:44 a.m. very early in the morning, 3:44 a.m. I'm shooting this video. So it is taking today as a lost day because no trade has happened today. So 5 winning days. Win rate, it's showing that win rate is 62.50%. Okay, so you can see every day the trades, the profits, the losses that it's making. You know, on Christmas Day it made $1.36, like that. Okay, the analysis are here, and you can see that this is the total profit it has made. Okay, this is a 1 week test. Okay, in 1 week it's made this particular amount of money. Let us go back to the application where I give you my counterpunch, tell you what I feel about this platform. We're back on the exchange now. Let me counterpunch. Now, this application is by Chinese people. Okay, personally, I am not really always very comfortable, interacting with Chinese make money online platforms. But the good thing about this, the exception about this, is the fact that my trading capital would be in my exchange. And during the linking of the API, it is clear that this robot cannot go and take my money from my exchange. The money is in my custody. So, that gives me some form of relaxation. So, okay, no wahala. My money is in my exchange. And I think that I trust the security settings of Binance enough for me to be satisfied that my money is safe there. Okay, so these guys cannot take my money away. If you're watching this video and you feel that there's a way that they can take my money away from my Binance exchange, leave it in the comment section below. I like that fact. Okay, so let me tell you the things I like first, then I'll come to the things that I do not like. Another thing that I like, because it makes life easy for the neutral guy out there who does not have money, is the fact that they are giving out, there's no licensing fee. Okay, the only money you're going to be looking for is the money for you to start trading. Other robot applications ask you to pay for yearly subscription. Okay, now it is suspicious that they are giving out their license for free. Don't you think so? No annual subscription, nothing. Just take. Because there's a whole lot of work and coding that goes into, the designing of this robot, the algorithm. You're going to pay a lot of people a lot of money, and you're giving it out for free. Now, if you think in that direction, that it is suspicious that they are giving it out for free, now think about it in the marketing direction. These guys came into the industry and they are trying to compete with other well-established brands. Okay? The same audience that an existing robot company has is the one you're trying to capture. Then what do you bring to the table? Okay? So it's in a bid to crush competition that they say, you know what, let us give out our own application for free. Because there are lots of people in other robot companies where licensing fees are involved that cannot get started because they do not have enough money. Because a lot of people see that license that they are paying almost as if they are throwing away that money before they now start looking for trading capital. People who fall into that category, they will be more comfortable coming to Cointech like, okay, I'm not paying subscription fee, I'm just getting started, boom, let's go. Okay, so that is another way to look at it. And I must tell you, that free license that they are giving to you, these guys must be thinking of other ways to collect it back from you, because 20% of your profit is what they are deducting from the gas fees that you send there. 20%. If you ask me, that is significant. But a lot of people wouldn't mind 20% of profit. No wala. So long as the profits are coming. Okay. And also, what I like is that, like you see, I am on my 8-day test running. No overall losses. The robot has been doing well with the hedge mode trading. The profits has been accruing, you know. And these guys said that during beta test, they went 90 days beta testing and they did not have losses. Okay, 90 days, no losses. I do not know the veracity of this claim. I was not in their beta testing. I do not know if they did that 90 days. You know, they are combining hedge mode with martingale principle, ensuring like, okay, the hedge mode kind of thing, it gives stability. You're not losing and you're not making profit. So now the martingale principle that they now introduce into it is what is ensuring that there is stability and there is profitability. Okay, for the crypto heads, you know, they can figure out how that is happening. But while you're figuring it out, I showed you my Binance. Like, this is Binance. This is not their application. I am actually making profit. Okay, so I don't know how it works, but I'm seeing the profit there. And they said that if you use the company's settings to start trading, that if you make a loss, 50% of the losses would be refunded to you. I don't know how that works. I have not seen, I'm just about a week old here. I've not seen anybody on their WhatsApp group who got refunded for losses, or if there have been any losses. I've not seen it. I can't confirm the veracity of that claim either. What I don't like about this project is because it's limited. Like I said, this is a futures trading application. That's all, futures. Okay, some people may want to be more versatile and do other types, trade in other types of markets of the crypto. Some people may want to say, okay, you know what, I want to do spot trading. You know what, I want to do leverage tokens. You know, I want to do different types of trades. Okay, I think for people who want more options, they would find that this application is limited. You know, just futures trading. Okay, so for people who want more options, Tafabot has more options. Okay, more robots, more options. Okay, so if futures trading is okay for you, then this application is good. You know, it's limited, just futures trading. That is the only con that I can find with this application. That's not the only con. Another con is the fact that I do not know those that are running this platform. Okay, those that are running the platform. Okay, but you know, many platforms like this, they do not come out to say we are the ones running it. Okay, they do not come out boldly to say it. And if you say that, then somebody is going to ask you, who are the ones running Royal Q? Royal Q has been around for a couple of years now, and they are still around. You know, the fact that your money is in your exchange, okay, it makes people not want to ask too many questions like who is running it and all that. Okay, and the ones that we know, those who are running it, trust me, I had to dig to bring them out. It's not as if they came out publicly and openly to say, you know what, I'm the one who owns this company. We had to discover them. Okay, so I haven't been able to discover those that are running this platform, but I know that they are Chinese. What are your thoughts about Cointech2u? I'm testing them out and I'm making money. Okay, if you want to test them out as well, look in the description. You'll find a link there. Then you can test them out as well. Remember, invest only what you can afford to lose. Okay, cryptocurrency trading is very, very risky, and anything can happen. You know, a robot only understands technical analysis because that was how it was configured. Remember, technical analysis is not the only thing that drives the crypto markets. There is fundamental analysis as well. So, I mean, invest only what you can afford to lose. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. I remain Victor Isibo. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.